Welcome to qnawire.
Question 11. Assume that the reserve requirement is 20% and the bank does not hold any excess reserves and the public does not hold any cash. So the Fed decides that it wants to expand the money supply by $40 million. So if the Fed is using open market operations, will it buy or sell bonds? So it will buy bonds because by buying bonds, it injects money into the economy. So buy bonds here. Okay, B. What quantity of bonds does the Fed need to buy or sell to accomplish this goal? Explain your reasoning. So we know that the reserve ratio is 20%, right? So we can calculate the money multiplier, which is 1 divided by 20%, that is 5. So the money multiplier is 5. So we can calculate that it needs to buy a certain amount of bonds, which means it needs to inject this certain number of money into the economy to make this multiplier works, and then in the end it will have for $40 million of money supply. So now we can fill in this blank. This is just 80 million. $80 million. So the answer to question B is that the Fed needs to buy $80 million of bonds. In other words, it needs to inject this $80 million into the economy to make this money grow and grow by using this money multiplier. So then at the end, this is sorry, I was wrong. This is 8 million, not 80 million. Yeah, because 8 times 5 is 40. Yeah, so by buying this $8 million of bonds, it inject this amount of money in the economy, and then after circulation and then after the effect of money multiplier, we have this 40 million of money supply in the economy.